Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sophia from My Great Challenge. This is my Wednesday routine. So all this week I am sharing my weekly routine: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday morning. It's Friday for you, but it's really Wednesday for me. It's actually past 7 o'clock. I just got back from work. Just had enough time to change pants and shoes. And I'm going to do my Wednesday routine. So Wednesday, because I have to edit in the evening for Patreon, I come home and I don't have much time. I have about 30 minutes at best to do any kind of routine. So yesterday, which was Tuesday for me, Wednesday for you, I know it's complicated. I finished my bathroom, and the only thing I didn't do, if you remember, was my floor, vacuum and mop. Today I'm in my bedroom, and what I'm going to do is pretty much dust, declutter, though there's really not much to declutter. I'm going to dust, declutter, put things back where they belong, vacuum thoroughly, and then I'm going to mop everything. So I'm going to mop my bathroom, vacuum and mop my bathroom, vacuum and mop my floor, and then I'll walk down the stairs and I will vacuum the stairs and mop the stairs. That's all I am doing. It doesn't take long. It's gonna be a little bit longer tonight because there's laundry that needs to be put away. So without further ado, let's get started. Wednesday routine. Alright, welcome back to the bedroom. And if you remember, I just finished this room. It's getting dark outside, okay, and it's also 85 degrees today. I don't know what's going on. But here's my bedroom, and it's looking pretty good. Of course, there's this big thing here that I need to address. This is all my laundry that I need to put away, and really the only thing I do is put away stuff like that. This is Scott's. He uses my bike. And I just used the bike last night, actually, so I'm not going to use it tonight, but I will tomorrow night. So I need to move all of this stuff, put it in this closet. I just do a quick dusting over there. As I'm vacuuming the floor, I go on the ceiling and I get cobwebs if there's any. I do the railing over there. I may dust this side here of the bed, the footboard. Definitely dust my area over there. I already got my dusting spray and stuff. Kind of spruce things up. I can see there's something here that I need to remove. That's a list of stuff I was talking about on Patreon. That's actually the video I got to edit tonight. My plants, you've seen them already. I give them all the water they need. And that's about it. So I'm going to get started. First thing I need to do is my laundry. Put it away. I already have my vacuum and my mop here. I don't bring the electric mop upstairs to this floor. For various reasons, I just keep it to the first floor and the basement. And then that's the bathroom, pretty much the way I left it yesterday. Hello. Yeah, I mean, it stayed clean. I'm making efforts, little changes, one at a time. I put the camera on the tripod. I got to file this laundry. I'm going to turn my stopwatch on so you can see how long it takes. I am 12 minutes in. I'll be right back. I am going to start the dusting and then pretty much vacuum and mop. That's it. Dusting it down, 18 minutes. Told you. It's getting easier and easier. And tonight it's actually taking longer because I had laundry to find. So I'm ready to get my vacuum going. I'm going to start with the bathroom. This is just the regular Swiffer with the microfiber, and what I do is that I use it to dry the water and buff the floor because I don't want water stains on my laminate, and it just totally absorbs everything. Ah, 34 minutes. All I have to do is mop the stairs. Let's see, 37 minutes. Let's say 38. Whew. I'm a little behind. Again, one, I had to do the laundry basket, and 2, I had to move the camera. So bedroom is decluttered, bedroom has been dusted, all the clothes are back in the closet, everything's been vacuumed, everything's been mopped. Yesterday I watered all the plants. This has been dusted. Floor is clean. Yes, I did rinse the mop in between the bedroom and the bathroom. Just putting it up there because I know I'll get comments. These were washed yesterday, so now they're nice and clean. And everything's done. It's been watered. I would say under 20 minutes if I didn't have the laundry. Oh, and the staircase has been mopped. It's still wet, so I need to be a little careful. But staircase is done. 38 minutes. 20 on a regular basis. Okay, that's it. That was my Wednesday routine. This is what I do on Wednesday. I'm a little behind today because Edward and I had to go to Walgreens, pick up some prescriptions of mine, and then you know it's Walgreens, you go through the aisles and all of this stuff. So I started a little bit late. Usually I'm done by 7:30. It's past 8 o'clock. So what I'm gonna do is go downstairs and edit the Patreon video for tomorrow. It's almost done. I just gotta do, like, you know, I do a row edit and then I clean it up afterwards. So that's what I'm gonna do for the evening. If you are brand new and you just joined in, the first 2 weeks in May 2023, I am sharing my cleaning routine to inspire you to come up with your own. I tried, I know I'm repeating myself, but for those who are new, okay. I've tried most routine out there, couldn't do it, couldn't keep up because of my lifestyle and how busy I am. And I am. I know. I am, okay. So I couldn't keep up. There's nights where I have X amount of time, and there's nights where I have barely any time. Friday night, usually I have time. So what I do Friday night is the basement. If it's been maintained during the week, it's not much. It's just spruce up, tidy, vacuum mop. Clean whatever detergent I may have on the washing machine, and then definitely do the inside of the slop sink, because you know, this, as filthy as you think I am, the slop sink is one of those things, or the utility sink, that I can't stand looking at it dirty. So I'll do that. And then if I have extra time, because I don't have to edit anything for Saturday, what I'll do is that I'll start on the kitchen. The kitchen, I do a whole reset on Saturday morning. So if I can start on Friday evening, that makes it shorter for me on Saturday. That means that I can film longer video or more videos on Saturday and Sunday. And if you're wondering, I do zero cleaning on Sunday. You will not see me clean on Sundays. I'll do videos where I'm decluttering and stuff like that, but I have no routine on Sunday. I want to keep Sunday solely for filming and doing activities with the family if we have any upcoming. So I hope you're still inspired and you like this video series. You got, let me see. Yeah, you got 3 more coming up. So the next one is my Thursday routine. You'll see that on Monday. And first day, I'm going downstairs to the 2nd floor. I vacuum the office, I tidy the office, well, my side. Scott does whatever he wants with his side. Once in a while, I'll go in there and I'll vacuum his desk and whatnot. But I don't want to touch anything because it's filled with little sticky notes of codes and whatnot that he's working on right now for his project. So I try to leave it alone. I'll vacuum the office, tidy my side of the office, dust, and I will go into Willie's room and I'll dust. I don't need to tidy, that's his responsibility. I'll go in Edward's room, I'll dust, I don't tidy anything, that's his responsibility. The bathroom has already been done, so then I'll vacuum the entire second floor and I'll mop the entire second floor. That is my routine for Thursday. The next one is Friday. I just talked about it. That would be the basement. You'll see that on Wednesday next week. And Saturday morning is the kitchen reset, and you'll see that on Friday next week. So thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe right in the corner and hit that bell button so you get notified whenever I post a new video. By the way, if you're wondering, the Barbies did sell. They sold today. So there's still stuff on the Esty Shop if you want to check it out. Frenchie and Tubby. And channel merch, including It's Not Hoarding if you dust it. I gotta copyright this. Okay. Oh, and I got a new one today. I came up with It's Not Hoarding if you sell it. I think I got t-shirts coming up with those. If I ever have a chance. I just keep piling it on. So channel merch, My Great Challenge gift on Etsy. And then if you want to see more behind the scene, a more intimate glimpse at my family life and the life of a content creator, you can choose to support this channel and my Patreon at patreon.com/mygreatchallenge. Thank you for watching. I will see you on Monday for my Thursday cleaning routine. Bye!